What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, I'm going to explain briefly how prompt engineering actually works. So as you guys can see, we're going to use this cool illustration. So if you want to learn more, just click on this link. It will take you to this cool website called unite.ai. And if you have time, you might want to read these descriptions. They have very comprehensive explanations about how prompt engineering works. And they have very cool diagram, cool flowcharts that will help you a lot to understand the concept. So yeah, I'm just gonna close this tab and I'll go to this whiteboard. I'm going to make this image a little bit bigger so you can see it better. Just gonna close this ads, kind of annoying. All right, so here we go. I'm just gonna grab my pencil. As you guys can see here, we have the language model. So this is our ChatGPT. All right, so this circle represents ChatGPT. Alright, so I'm sorry if my handwriting looks kind of weird. I'm not really used to this whiteboard, to be honest with you. And the dataset that is being used by ChatGPT is the pre-trained dataset, and the model is GPT-4, right? GPT-4. Let me write that down first. GPT-4, here we go. Okay, cool. So as you guys can see here, to initialize the conversations, the user needs to enter the prompt, right? So this is just an example. Hey, this is a conversations between a customer and a polite, helpful customer service agency, right? And the input indicator is simply just a specifications about what type of questions, what type of input this is. For example, like, okay, questions of the customers. All right. So yeah, so the first thing, when the user enter this prompt, it will be taken to this model, and that's usually called a context analysis. So this is the step where ChatGPT processes the user input to understand the provided context, identifying important tokens, and comprehending the overall meaning and intent behind the text. All right, so that's like the very first step. Then the next step is going to be computations and knowledge integrations. So the model, which is GPT-4 in this case, performs complex computations on the analyzed context, leveraging its knowledge base acquired during training, and it combines its understandings of grammar, language patterns, and accumulated information to generate a response that aligns with the given input, which is this input, right? Yeah, then the next step is response generation, which is the last step of this process where ChatGPT is going to generate you the output. All right, so through the analysis of context and integration of knowledge, ChatGPT is able to provide you with the relevant output based on whatever input given by the user. So yeah guys, that's how it works. Obviously I don't want to be very technical here because some of you, or maybe most of you, are not coming from technical backgrounds, right? So I'm just gonna explain it in non-technical language and make it easier to understand. All right, so I think that's it. That's all you need to know about how prompt engineering works, especially like ChatGPT prompt engineering. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to balance specificity and generality when it comes to prompt. So I'll see you guys in the next video.